Ayurveda propounds that prevention is an equally important aspect of disease management as cure, and thus strengthening the immunity in its natural way will help the body fight against diseases causing ailments. Basically, childhood is a period of growth spurts, and in Ayurveda, there are numerous acharyas who have described various useful herbs, formulations, and mode of conduct for children and adults to boost their immunity. One such powerful method to enhance the immunity in children is Swarna Prashana, that is intake of processed gold. And now this is a very unique concept mentioned only in Ayurveda, which has been footnoted and coined by Acharya Kashyapa thousands of years ago. Swarna Prashana is an ancient Ayurvedic oral medicine that helped children fight deadly diseases centuries before modern vaccine came into existence. It is a unique therapeutic method that helps build immunity, health, and intellect without causing any harmful side effects. In today's world of pollution, adulteration, chemically treated food and drinks, stressful lifestyle, electronic distractions, and erratic climatic change, it is very important for parents to focus on boosting their child's immunity, which will help them grow into strong individuals with good intellect. And Swarna Prashana is one such method which will help impart good health and intelligence naturally, and this can be given to children with ease. Swarna Prashana is derived from two Sanskrit words, Swarna, which translates to gold, and Prashana, which translates to eating or ingestion. So it's a natural time-tested method of introducing a palatable medicament via the oral route to improve the overall health of the child. The ingredients are Swarna Bhasma, medicated ghee, and honey. It is prepared with one of the main ingredients, which is Swarna Bhasma, which is also called as gold ash. Now what we do over here is we take Swarna Bhasma, medicated ghee, and honey, and all these three ingredients are mixed together and it is given to the child in the form of drops. Now the main catch point over here is how is Swarna Bhasma prepared. It is quite interesting because what we do is we take gold and it is subjected to different Ayurvedic techniques like purification and incineration. So once it's incinerated, you will see that gold is converted to ash, and this ash is called as Swarna Bhasma, which is used in Ayurveda as a medicament. So it is quite potent, and the best part of this video is I'm going to show you guys how this medicine is prepared. You guys can have a look. First and foremost, it has to be taken on the day of Pushya Nakshatra. Secondly, it has to be taken on empty stomach. And last but not the least, do not have food for at least 30 minutes after consumption of Swarna Prashana. The very nature of Pushya Nakshatra is yielding, caring, and nurturing, and it is this day which is endowed with qualities such as propitious, good fortune, and opulence. Overall, it is a good day to do anything because of the favorable alignment of all the planets that helps in providing peace, prosperity and wealth. And this comes once in 28 days, that is once a month. The classics recommend Swarna Prashana from the time of birth to 16 years of age. Now, the intake of gold in the form of Bhasma is not the same as intake of gold in the form of metal. The National Center of Biotechnology has conducted studies on Swarna Bhasma and has vouched for the safety of use of gold as a medicament only in the form of ash. It's because of its bioavailability that it is one of the most potent form of medicine. Swarna Prashana is a great gift to parents towards improving their child's health and immunity. So I've given you guys the best ways to boost your child's immunity and also to prevent ailments with a simple step which you can take up at an Ayurvedic center, or it can also be done at home. If you guys want to do it at home, then I'm going to share a link below in the description for the best Ayurvedic Swarna Prashana drop which you can opt for your child. With that, we have come to an end with this video. If you guys like my video, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys next week. Till then, stay tuned and thanks for watching.